first class day, but right now it's raining outside because of the typhoon season and raining season. But Lisa said that usually it's the raining season like in the middle of September, after August like that. It's like transitioning from summer to fall, so it usually rains during transition season. And also the typhoon at Jeju Island in Busan, my god. I saw that at the news yesterday, it was so scary. Yeah, so it's raining. I don't know if you can see, but it's raining. Yeah, that. People are constructing apartment back here. There's also a town over there, if you can see. Basically it's raining and also I need to buy a new umbrella because the one that I bring along with me from Malaysia is the broken one. Yesterday it was raining and when I opened it, the batang fell off. So yeah, I need to buy a new one. Look at this payung. Look at it. Is no one literally having classes these days? I mean, where is everyone? It's a gloomy day with the broken payung that I'm going to buy. Hang on, I hope the door's open. Please open, please open, please open. They only sell huge umbrellas, so I'm just gonna buy because I don't know where I'm gonna buy it again. No. The laundry room. I'm wearing this to class. First day of class. 그냥 하고 그냥. Rain. Oh no, after rain. Ta-dang. Oh, start to become yellow. So. It's so cool and windy and chilly. The sky is dark, like gray. We have this glass thing in the middle. It's a counter. It's like counter. Lunch. Okay, bye. Bye 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 bye. Raining. Rain. Oh, there's all of them back there. Ah. Oh, she knows. Okay. Classroom. Classroom.
안녕. We're class.
Here you go. It's raining heavily. My shoes. You need to wear slippers after this. And it's so cold. You guys, I'm shivering. Okay, so let me summarize what just happened. It rained super heavily. My shoes are wet. I'm gonna try if it's okay if I put... Yeah, I should put the shoes here. Okay, I'll put my shoes there. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. You okay? I'll put here. Oh, there's a net here. I never know we have a net over here. I never knew we have a net over here. Okay, that's good. I literally never know that. Okay. I'm just going to shower and such. Oh, and the comment for today's class, I think it was okay because the subject, all of the subject that I'm learning is basically like in my department field, since I'm also in part of humanities, science like that. So yeah, and our class is in the basement, but oh my god guys, rain here is not same as Malaysia. Rain over there is like really cold. Like really cold. I know I'm going to eat for tonight. Dulu sampai kan aku stay tak tahu macam nak buka benda. ใจครับ I'm doing that right. This is my childhood drink. Paper straws, you know.